Yeah. You came in with grain in your hands and a field full of hard days, but you spoke like a shelter to the one who had nothing to say. You didn't count what was cheap, you saw gold in the hidden place. Then you left room at the table for the broken to feel safe. And when the wind pulled cold, you kept your word intact. You stood where truth could stand, and you never looked back. Oh, Boaz, you cover me. Boaz, you honor me. Grace in your open hands, love that will understand. The poor gather close, you told your men to leave more, and the shame they were carrying fell quiet on the floor. You were strong, but you were gentle. You were clear, but you were kind. Like a name written steady on the doorway of my mind. Oh, and when the night felt long, you kept your heart aligned. You were a covering, like mercy in the light. Boaz, you cover me. Boaz, you honor me. Grace in your open hands, love that will understand. You honor me. Faith at the field edge, kindness is where you stand. You made a way for the weary, you gave the wounded a home. You turned a lonely story into a place to belong. Now I know what redemption looks like when it takes a breath. It was your quiet courage, and it moves like steadfastness. Boaz, you cover me. Boaz, you honor me. Grace in your open hands, love that will